On this episode of Sea Kayak Life,
We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
On this episode, we're going to keep it close to home and take a trip on the Tennessee River.
We're going to launch from the Chickamauga Dam, and we're going to travel about 17 miles down the river, passing through downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Now, Chattanooga is an awesome place if you love the outdoors. There's so much to do here.
We're standing here on another really cool part of Chattanooga, the Chattanooga Riverwalk. And it goes 16 miles down the river, and all day long you'll see people jogging, riding their bikes, walking their dogs, just walking alongside the river. It's beautiful.
But at the nexus of it all for the outdoors, it's all about the Tennessee River. And when we get downtown, we're going to stop at the Tennessee Aquarium, and, well, I'll tell you more about that later. Right now, let's get into our boats and get down the river. It's all part of our Sea Kayak Life.
thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share this video with your friends.
People ask me what my secret is. I just smile and say, follow me. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Life's too short not to really live. I got a big heart, I can let you in. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world.
There's nothing like showing off your hometown. Chattanooga is a beautiful city, and the Tennessee River runs right through the heart of town. Today, we're traveling nearly 18 miles from the Chickamauga Dam to downtown Chattanooga, and we'll continue on to our pullout site at Suck Creek. With the dam behind us, we have a nice current pushing us along. On the Tennessee River, a series of dams built and operated by the Tennessee Valley Authority provide both energy and flood control. The river provides the community with all kinds of recreation, including paddle sports, boating, and fishing. It also provides commerce with large barges meandering the Tennessee.
I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. On top of the world. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. On top of the world.
After about an hour of paddling, we see the downtown bridges and Lookout Mountain in the distance. They don't call this the Scenic City for nothing. Tall cliffs support the museums of the Chattanooga Art District. This is the historic Walnut Street Bridge. Today, it's a pedestrian bridge and a beautiful spot to walk or run, or the best spot to enjoy the views. The downtown area regularly hosts music festivals and triathlons. It's a great place for people to come together and enjoy the outdoors.
Secret is on top of the world. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world.
We decided to stop and do a little exploring of downtown.
I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world. Yeah. Yeah. I'm sitting on top of the world, on top of the world.
The heart of Chattanooga is the Tennessee River. But about 30 years ago, city officials decided to reinvent Chattanooga, and they wanted to make it a destination spot for families around the country. It all began right here behind us with the Tennessee Aquarium.
And I say we go check it out.
Let's do it. So we got two options. We got river journey and we got ocean journey.
Ocean journey. We're sea kayakers.
Yeah, but we're on the Tennessee River.
Yeah, that's true. Well, can we do both?
Why not?
We're doing both.
Let's start with the ocean journey. This is just a small sample of the wondrous sights in the ocean journey. There are additional habitats that feature lemurs, butterflies, and a petting area. The river journey features river ecosystems from around the world. But the highlight is the Tennessee River. We met with Tom Benson, Chief Communications and Marketing Officer with the Tennessee Aquarium, to learn more.
You know, when the aquarium was first envisioned back in the 1980s, it was meant to be not only an economic driver to revitalize the downtown area and make the city more livable for its residents, that would attract tourists from other areas, but also to be a voice for freshwater conservation and a leadership in environmental education, and also a resource for all of the school groups that come here to visit. And then beyond that, to create an atmosphere where the bright young people want to stay here or in fact move here. So we're helping people understand that every drop of fresh water is precious, that this is our playground. It's where we like to, go kayaking, go fishing, go boating, swimming. It's an important habitat for a wide array of life, from crayfishes and mussels to a diversity of fish that's unparalleled pretty much anywhere on planet Earth in a temperate zone.
Being kayakers, we've actually seen some of these animals in the wild. The Tennessee Aquarium is a great place for fun and family, but for us, it's a reminder of how important the water is to us personally. We also made a few new friends. Time to get back to the water and finish our river journey.
I feel the sunshine over me. I feel the sunshine over me. I feel the sunshine over me. I feel the sunshine over me.
The clouds have moved out and left us warm sunshine. But the afternoon has also brought us very strong wind straight in our face. We know that the water will be choppy for the next couple of miles until we make the sharp turn at Moccasin Bend. This stretch will be physically challenging. In front of us is Lookout Mountain, a historic and stunning fixture in Chattanooga.
In the morning when the shadows are just moved away, many drops of hope let me trust in a clear new day. Getting closer to you. There's one thing I knew.
what a day we had on the Tennessee River. Conditions really changed, didn't they?
It did. And when we got here, people said, "Oh, what a great day for paddling on the river." And we thought, do you know how crazy it was just around the bend earlier? I mean, you saw 28 miles per hour wind gusts?
Yeah, it was like being on the ocean. We had swells and everything.
I mean, I believe it. And we said the Tennessee River is not really known for sea kayaking, but today, I'm glad that we were in our sea kayaks.
Definitely. And we're definitely glad that we stopped off at the aquarium.
For sure.
Thanks to Tom Benson for sharing with us about the Tennessee River and the wildlife in the area. If you're ever in the area, swing by the Tennessee Aquarium. It's a great place to take your family. All right, what's next?
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, me too.
I say let's just pack up and go home.
Because it's all part of our sea kayak life.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to help us grow our channel, and share this video with a friend. Here's 2 more videos that I think you'll like.